Alright, hey guys, today we're going to change the oil and oil filter on a 2001 VFR 800. It's pretty nice and easy process. All you should need is 17 mil socket and a 65 or so oil filter wrench socket. And of course, you're going to need your oil filter, 4 quarts of your favorite oil, and then your drain plug washer. On these, you can use the center stand to drain it. You're going to have your bolts going to be right under here and your oil filters right in there. We're going to take the oil drain out just so it drains a little quicker. I guess I should have put them gloves on, huh? Thought I had a wipe floating around. Go ahead and take this oil filter off as well now. And depending on how tight the previous guy did it, we'll K&M. There's your part number. This one's nice too because it's got a little spot for a socket on the back. Alright, she finally stopped draining. Before we start, we're going to go and pre-fill the oil filter a little bit. If not, it'll just do this when you start the motor up. You're ready to go. Always like to slowly thread them on. Opposite, not actually trying to thread them. Make sure it's fully seated. Threads are easy to strip. Oil filters just need to be hand tight. You don't have to crank on them. Slide that out. We're going to take this washer, put it on a drain bolt. Should be good there. Now we just got to fill it up. It takes roughly 3.1 or so. Surprised that didn't fall right in there now, my luck. And on this model, you got a little window right under the drain. We'll start filling up some. I usually get it at that bottom line, crank it up, let it run for about a minute or two, see where it's at, and go from there. You want to check it once it's nice and warm, make sure it's in there.